Mexico City, the biggest metropolitan area in the Americas. Probably. A concrete jungle, traffic, incredible food. But can you go birding there? Of course you can.
Good morning from Mexico City, specifically from Chapultepec. It's a green oasis in the middle of a sprawling metropolis, and I'm here for some early morning birding. That's a tough sentence to say. And I'm here for some early morning birding. And I'm here without a scope, so you have to deal with some, let's say, rather shaky camera footage. Sorry. It's a big park, and while it seems to be dominated mostly by the noisy grackles and squirrels, there are some good birds around, but you need to be patient.
Okay, couple of takeaways from editing. I need a new camera. I've known this. I continue to know this. It will happen. one day. Number 2, don't go anywhere without a tripod. Preferably go everywhere with a scope. Anyways, thanks for watching. The editing was super entertaining. I think the track was incredible. The Brighton Bob by Hey Pluto, by the way. If you're already thinking about Christmas gifts, which you should be thinking about, check out our website at habiru-clothing.com. That's all for this week. See you next Friday. Happy weekend. Ciao.